This is unboxing of black Kovex multipurpose rubber gloves. These are oil-resistant nitrile gloves. Nitrile gloves are a type of disposable glove made from synthetic rubber, specifically nitrile butadiene rubber, NBR, known for their durability, puncture resistance, and chemical resistance. They are a popular alternative to latex gloves due to the elimination of latex allergies and are widely used in various industries, including healthcare, food handling, and cleaning. These are stretchable, coated working gloves, ideal for these uses: in construction, for safety, for protection from gasoline vaporization, when spare parts handling, mechanical maintenance works, warehouse operation, and mine operation. These are elastic fit, breathable, comfortable, antiseptic, non-slip, abrasion-resistant gloves. You get 12 pairs of good, high-quality gloves for over 100 pesos only.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.